Tyler Tool Cable Pullers. Cable pullers are used to pull, lift, and safely lower a load manually using a ratcheting or come-along action. Unlike other cable pullers, they're made from zinc-plated heavy-duty gauge steel and a high-quality pawl system. Features include a freewheel setting to quickly position the cable and hook, and safely lower your load one notch at a time with maximum control. While this puller is rated for horizontal pulling and vertical lifting, it is not designed for overhead lifting. Our customers use Tyler Tool cable pullers in the energy, construction, and general rigging industries. It's available in 2 and 4 ton sizes. The 2-ton option is fitted with 3/16 inch diameter cable and has a max take-up length of 3.5 feet. The 4-ton option is fitted with 1/4 inch diameter cable with a max take-up length of 4 feet. When it comes to heavy-duty come-along pullers, Tyler Tool cable pullers stand out for their quality and durability.